Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to present my presentations on effectiveness of invasive species Parthenium hysterophorus extract on shoot and fruit borer of eggplant in Chitwan, Nepal. So before starting a presentations, I want to share reason behind choosing these research questions. So being an agriculture student, we know that invasive plant species is a big challenges in Nepal. So they cover a large area of a fertile agriculture land, so there is a potential to turn these situations if we could use these plant species to help the farmer instead of being threat. So using this extract helps to control the agriculture pest also. So if this extract prove as a biocontrol agent, then these problems can be solved. So without any delay, start the presentations. Introductions. Introductions. The eggplant is a solanaceous crop. It cultivates ranging from temperature 18 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius, and it requires the optimum soil pH 6.5 to 7.5, which is the neutral pH range. And the average yield of eggplant is 22 to 33 ton per hectare. So, eggplant shoot and fruit borer, it is a type of polyphagous insect. The polyphagous insect means those type of insect which can feed on wide taxonomic diversity of crops. So wide variety of crops. So the eggplant shoot and fruit borer larva can infect the shoots, fruit, and flower of the plant. So the larva penetrate in tender shoot at the vegetative stage of the plant and also damage the shoot, leaves, and flower. And the infested flower cannot produce the food. And at a fruiting stage, the shoot infestation is not occur, or if occur, then it is rarely. So at fruiting stage, all of the larvae attack the fruit of the plant. So they penetrate inside the fruit through making a hole and also exit from the fruit, making the exit hole. So they damage the fruit and they return back to the soil for pupation. Therefore, the one larva can damage 4 to 7 fruit during its lifespan. So they damage heavily. There is mentions that 80% of a crop can be damaged through the larva, shoot, and fruit borer. So, the major symptom of the damage is we can clearly see the wilting of a leaves and terminal shoots, and also we can clearly see the bore holes on the fruit. So these are the major symptoms of a eggplant shoot and fruit borer. So from the picture, we can see that insect larva is penetrating inside the shoot and the infested shoot. And this one is larva penetrate inside the fruit and damage the eggplant fruits. So Parthenium hysterophorus, it is a type of invasive species. The invasive species means those species which grow rapidly, reproduce quickly, spread quickly, and the threat to the various ecosystems, the threat to the human health, the threat to the natural environment, the threat to the agricultural ecosystems of various biodiversity. So it have various threats. And in Nepal, 219 invasive plant species are listed. So we can see the Parthenium hysterophorus in Nepal along the roadways, in the irrigation canal, and in the residential areas. So the Parthenium hysterophorus, it consists of a tiny white capitula. So in a picture, we can see the white capitula. So those capitula each generate the 5 seeds, and a single plant can produce 10,000 to 15,000 viable seeds. So that's why it's grow rapidly and spread quickly. So next, the literature review. The literature review, the preparation of a plant extract, the preparation of a treatment. So first we need to collect the fresh plant leaves, and those collected leaves were washed by the clean water, and those washed leaves are set dry for 2 to 3 weeks at a room temperature. And the dry leaves were go through grinding process. The grinding, the powder form of the leaves is placed in a conical flask in different ratio with the medium distilled water and ethanol. So we can make the ratio of 1:10, 1:20, and 1:30 ratio of distilled water and ethanol. So after that, filtrations we need to do, and the filtrate solution is stored at 4 degrees Celsius. So we left some residues. So those residues resoak and in 75 ml of respective solvent, and residue solvent is kept in water bath at 42 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. And the filter residue solvent is mixture, and those mixed with the prior solvent and evaporate through the use of rotatory evaporator. We can see in the picture also, this is the rotatory evaporator. So the final product is crude extract, so which is kept at a 4 degrees Celsius for further utilization and applications. So the several studies shows that the plant extract Parthenium hysterophorus are effective against the eggplant shoot and fruit borer. So the Parthenium hysterophorus extract helps to reduce the egg laying and larva populations and damage to the crops. Collection of larva from infested plants. So we need to collect the larva from infested plants, and those collected larvae were reared, and the selection from the reared larva, and those selected larvae were treated by the solutions of different ratios. And we need to observe and record the data of mortality of larva. So the study shows that 86.96% of mortality were observed at 400 ppm of Parthenium hysterophorus, and also the 50% mortality were observed at 100 ppm of Parthenium hysterophorus. Parthenium extract and bucine extract. 0.2% of infestation were observed in the shoot through the use of Parthenium extract and bucine extract. And also in the fruit, 4.1% of damage were observed in fruit through the use of these extract. So this shows that they have a potential to use as a biopesticides. Importance of research questions. So research question, it helps to examine the effectiveness of extract. It helps to evaluate the effectiveness of extract. So it is a sustainable approach for reducing the pest infestations and weed populations. So it is a eco-friendly practices of reducing pest infestations and weed populations. So it can be a source of herbicide, biopesticides, and fertilizers. It has a potentials source of herbicides, biopesticides, and fertilizer. So it benefits the farmer. The farmer can be benefit through reduced use of harmful pesticides or harmful chemicals. So it helps to increase the crop yield. Also, it helps to improve the agriculture practices, and it also helps to improve the farmer livelihoods. So the key takeaways: the pesticidal impact. The using the pesticide poses a significant threat to the farmer, the ecosystems, human health, beneficial microorganisms, soil quality, and pollutions, environmental pollutions. So invasive species, it reduced the fertile agricultural land, it reduced the forest area, reduced the biodiversity. So the solution is Parthenium hysterophorus as a biopesticide. So those extract as a biopesticides. So the opportunities are, it have a high industrial value, and it is a sustainable agriculture practices. So the benefit stakeholders are the farmers and the consumers. They can consume fresh organic eggplants, and the environment, it will be the safe environment. Thank you. So these are the reprints used for these studies. If any questions, you can arise. Thank you.